Good afternoon to y'all. I have another review and an update I wanted to share with y'all. Quite some time ago, some of you may have remembered I made clone gliding strips. Now, the tool I actually got from the Stork for the next line of Wagtails coming out. It's a prototype. It had the sponge on there that Wagtail gives you when you get your one pass or combi. They made improvements on it, stitched it down the middle. But let me just grab that and show y'all. Now, I've been using this tool every single day, just about on every job that I could use it on. Well, I haven't come across a job yet that I couldn't use this tool on. It's just more of a preference, so I may switch to this. But I use both of these every day, all right? Now, if you take a look here, you'll see some wear on the pad. Now, where it was coming up right here, I told y'all how to fix that. I've already fixed that part. As you can see, it didn't come up yet. That was over a week ago I did that. And now it's starting to come up on the top. It's no big deal because, I mean, it's I put some mileage on it, so I made some money from the tool. So if you had actually bought this tool, I'm not trying to discourage anybody from buying anything. This is just awareness. And I'm trying to inform y'all what to expect when you get a tool like this. Now, I would go ahead and buy it when it does become available. Just make sure you get refills. And if you're not going to do that, just know that you have a time limit on this particular sponge. But when I got this, the Stork, 3 days later, I made my own. And I showed y'all how to make that. As you can see, it's still intact and it's no signs of wearing or trying to even come up. This is what I was telling you, that it's a permanent adhesive and it's totally washable. All right? You just got to make sure when you make this, you can't touch it for 48 hours. You got to leave it alone. Put something heavy to rest on there so it can actually bond and seal properly, and you're good to go. This is going to last a long, long, long time. All right, so that's all I wanted to say with the gliding strips for those who are actually going to try it. I know Travis, I know Jeffro, you said that you was going to try it. I know that Jarvis and a couple other people are going to do it. Just keep that in mind, that when you do this, just make sure, like I told you, 48 hours before you take it out for a spin. Next, I want to have a review on something that Travis has sent me. If y'all don't know who Travis Riches is, he's over there in Australia. He's the guy with all the birds you hear in the background when you watch his videos. I've been keeping my eye out on Travis like he's been keeping an eye out on me. Travis has a lot of great ideas that stem from a lot of other people's channels. But like I said, everyone has their own new unique flair and flavor. So they put their own twist on it. So I kind of like Travis's flavor, man. He's got some smooth flavor. And he actually did something with his handle. Y'all gotta check this out, man. Basically, I'ma show y'all exactly what he sent me and what he worked on the latest. When you go check his channel out, he'll explain everything to you. It's a video that you must see, all right? Because this will come in handy for those who are trying to make their lives a hell of a lot easier. And he doesn't work hard, he works smart. Do you see what we got going here? Travis is an outstanding gentleman and scholar, man. I'm telling you, he's an outstanding gentleman and scholar. This guy done spent $16. It costs more to ship it over here than the actual handle itself. But he was nice enough to send me a handle so I didn't have to be bothered with trying to do what. Look at that. And check this out. He zeroed it out for me. He 0-degreed it out for me. This is definitely going to come in handy. Do you see what he did? He made a portable. Oh, nice. Nice. I see what he's talking about. Okay, so let's hook this up. So Travis, man, I am smiling, man. This means a lot to me that you cared enough to send this. This is really, really nice of you to do that. Travis has designed something for us. Do you see this? This really, really needs to be shown to everybody out there, because this is something that everyone could do if they wanted to. But check this out, man. You got a switch on the handle itself. This is just beautiful, man. I'm going to open up this univalve and I'm going to leave it open. Let me just close this off. You see? Now check this out. This is so cool. You see that? That is so freaking cool, man. Look at that. Outstanding, man. I like this handy little gadget, man. This was good thinking, man. This was good thinking. You can actually control the flow. It does trickle out just a tad bit. You see it? It does trickle out just a tad bit. But that's okay, because I can shut it off completely. So, yeah, this is very good, man. I'm liking this. I haven't even put this out, but I like it already because I know what it's going to allow me to do. So there you have it. Check out Travis's channel to see exactly how he built this. It's a little long video, but that's okay because you're getting good info here. All right. So as you can see, what exactly is going on here? I really do believe that this could be taken and put out in the market, man. This is real handy right here. This is outstanding. Cheers, Travis. Cheers. Man, thanks, man. I'm liking this. You see that laws of attraction, you know? That law of attraction, man, karma. All my good gestures and deeds, man, the stork has brung me some stuff. You know, I got that Bigfoot. Now Travis sends me this. All in the same month, man. This ain't just coincidence. This is those good gestures coming back, man. It's got to be no other explanation. You know, I try to do right, you know, and help people. So it's only right that people help me, you know, and steer me in the right direction. And man, this is marvelous. Simply marvelous. So all right. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. Jarvis, you're going to want to do something with this. You're going to want to do yours the same way. since you don't have a univalve, this is a very cheap way to go if you don't mind cutting into your handle. But that's it. All right, Macafracka.